it's a way, you know, I went right there, basically, it's a place where, you know, you could get in touch with God, you know, you say your prayers, you know, you basically just, you know, getting in touch with God right there and away from the world. And we used to go out and evangelize. And man, what I've seen out there is just too much, man, you know, it's too fucking much just to ignore, you know? It's too much to ignore. There's too many lost souls, there's too many lost minds out there, man. And, hey, if I'm talking too much, let me know. No. You know, so, I mean, basically, that's what it is, man. And why I should be chosen to attend, I mean, I don't know, I'll let you guys decide that, you know. I mean, I feel like
That's right, Big G.
I feel like I should be chosen because, I mean, the ways I show leadership, and I feel like, in a way, I kind of, you know, I kind of got this sense and this view of the world that you know, we each have our different views and stuff, but I feel like just in ways, man, I know I'm just aching, man, just to come out of this shell, you know, come out of what I've been in for so long. And so I feel like I should be chosen because I feel like I've showed, you know, somewhat leadership qualities here in progress, you know. So that's it.
Too bad.